Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a fantastic package that promises to get anyone recording straight away. The Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 Full Studio Bundle. This isn't just the interface, it's everything you need delivered in one box, making it incredibly convenient for beginners or anyone wanting a simple setup. At the heart of the bundle is the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface itself. This unit is known for its reliability and quality, featuring high-performance converters that operate at up to 24-bit 192 kHz. This means you're capturing audio with excellent detail and clarity right from the start. One of the standout features of the Scarlett 2i2 is its super low latency. This is crucial because it allows you to monitor your performance in real time, even with native plugin effects applied, without any distracting delay. This makes tracking much smoother and more intuitive. Beyond the interface, the bundle includes a whole range of creative recording software, sounds, and plugins. This comprehensive software kit provides the tools needed to record, edit, mix, and produce music, giving users a powerful digital audio workstation environment right out of the box. To hear your recordings accurately, the bundle includes a pair of CR4X studio monitors. These monitors are designed to provide a clear and balanced sound, essential for making informed mixing decisions. The package also thoughtfully includes the necessary 1/4-inch instrument cables, so you don't have to worry about buying those separately. For vocal recording, a LYX Pro Studio Grade mesh microphone pop filter is included. This simple but effective accessory is vital for improving vocal recording quality by eliminating harsh, plosive sounds like P and B, resulting in cleaner, more professional-sounding vocals. Overall, this bundle truly delivers on its promise of providing everything needed to start recording immediately, offering quality components and essential accessories in one complete package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.